fell. Authenticity. I can't say the word. Let's try that again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gay. I run a blog called The Mary's Way. In today's video, I'm going to unbox a couple of things that I got. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Sorry for the light. The sun is shining bright and I need to record this video. So let's get into what I got recently. And so for my, give you a little backstory, for my 50th birthday, I treated myself to some jewelry. I wanted to buy something that was meaningful, that I could remember, you know, later on in life. The first item that I got was, oh yeah, so I'll show you guys. So I got this David Yurman cable bracelet. So it's sterling silver. It has gold tips here. Let me take it off so you can see it. It's gold here. There's also gold loop here, and then it's stainless steel. I love it. I love it. I love it. And so then I also got the link bracelet as well, which is this piece here. So it's like cable link, cable link, cable link, cable link, cable link, cable link. So I got these two pieces. I thought I wanted a smaller bracelet, but cable bracelet, but when I tried on the smaller cable bracelet, it didn't go well. And I thought this one was like too bulky, but then when I tried it, it paired well with the bracelet. So got these two pieces for my birthday when I turned 50. So then of course I wanted a ring. So then I treated myself, I don't really remember when, but I got the cable ring to match the bracelet, the two bracelets that I have. So these are the three pieces that I kind of purchased myself. So a couple of weeks ago, hubby was like, I'm gonna buy you something. So I usually refer to my want list. So I got this want list on my phone and I'm like, what do I want? So of course my brother telling me, go big, go big. So I always ask, what's my budget? And he never want to give me a price. So I was like, well, maybe I'll get the earrings. So we went to the mall and I was like, all right, let me try the earrings. So let's unbox them. I haven't really worn them yet because I was a little on the fence. So I tried them on some time ago. I love that it has its own little dust bag that you can store them in. So this is really cool. And it has David Yurman on it. So I got the medium size cable earrings. And they're the hoop earrings. So they're sterling silver. And then the post, not the post, but the, I guess the stick, I don't know what to call it, that goes into the ear, that's gold. And is this gold here? The sun is killing me. Okay, so the posts are sterling silver, but the piece that goes inside your ear is gold. And they're so cute. So when I initially got them, I wasn't feeling them. However, when I put them on yesterday, so the whole point of getting the hoop earring is to wear them when I have my hair up in a ponytail, because when my hair is down you can't really see it. So let's put these on. So I'm gonna put these on. And so I think when I was putting them on, let's take this thing out of my ear. before, they were like sitting this way, and I was like, why do they look like that? I don't like it. But then yesterday when I tried them on and they actually were sitting this way, I was like, okay, I think I like them again. Because I was going to return them, but I think I'm going to keep them. I feel like they're a classic piece of jewelry, earrings, and when I wear my hair up, which will probably be a lot this spring or in the summer, I'll have some hoops that I have, and they kind of match, you know, my jewelry. So I typically don't wear the bangle every day. I usually wear the link most of the time, and then it depends on the outfit. I feel like if it looks nice, I'll wear it. And so I got the earrings. So then it does come with a cloth to clean the jewelry with, so that's cool. But I love how it comes with a little storage bag in case you're like traveling, and it actually has like a little magnetic closure. So really love that. And so I earned some rewards points, and so I was like, what can I buy with my rewards money? And so I had my eye, I believe I shared it in the vlog before, the Pandora ring, and I wasn't really feeling that ring. I think I might get it, I don't know, but maybe when it goes on sale I'll think about it. But I was browsing the website and I saw another ring, and so purchased the ring with my rewards. Let's unbox it. Another ring. It also comes with a little bag you can store it in, so I guess it'll keep it from tarnishing. Another cloth to clean. Certificate of authenticity. So it also comes with a tag. You can write in the date of purchase. You can put your name, your address, date of purchase, the style number, the type of metal, gemstones, and what occasion. So I do have this for my bracelets when I purchased them, and so if I ever wanted to resell them, I guess that's an option. So the ring that I got, and I guess I probably should have got the name, but it's a cable ring. It also puts you in the mind of, it reminds you of the bracelet. So it has the cable, as you can see on the side, and then it has the gold little tips. And so I got this ring, which I love. And so I used to wear this ring over here, but then I paired this one here now. You can also wear this ring on your thumb, which I thought was cool. And I probably need some lotion right now. It fit. You can also wear it on your thumb. I think it's cool to kind of wear on your thumb. Say if I wanted to bring this ring over here. I have two rings on this hand. But I really just like to wear it on my, I don't want to stretch it. I think I got it. Okay. Keep it here on my pointer finger. So these are my new pieces in, jewelry pieces in. I really love costume jewelry, and I'll probably share with you guys some of my costume jewelry. I'll link what I can below, and tell me what you think, what you guys think, what you like, and I will see you guys next time in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.